Hello, and welcome back to your Genesis Now. On today's new feature video, we have added the option for an agency admin to decide whether or not to require the insured's phone and or email be added at the time of inputting new clients or prospects. Let's take a look. From inside your Genesis Now dashboard, let's go over to the left toolbar, scroll down to Agency, and click on My Agency. As an admin, you will have permissions to either toggle on or off the option to require email for new clients or require phone for new clients. So if I toggle on require new email, toggle on require phone, click Save Agency. Let's take a look at what happens when we do or do not complete this step. When adding a new client, I'll simply put in their name. And I may want to move on so I can quickly complete a quote. When I hit save, it lets me know that your agency requires that new clients must have an email. So I'll click an email, testing at yahoo.com, and I click save. But again, it lets me know your agency requires that new clients must have a phone number. I'll input a phone number and click save. Now that I've completed all the requirements by adding the email and phone number, it will let me complete the process of inputting that new client or prospect. I hope you find this new feature helpful. And should you have any questions or problems, always remember the bottom right, the helpful chat support icon, or all the way to the left, bottom of your toolbar, the help option. Thank you.